In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up discount on Shopify. This feature is a fantastic way to engage site visitors and potentially convert them into customers by offering timely discounts. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily set this up. First, ensure that you're logged into your Shopify account. Head over to the admin dashboard. This will be our starting point for creating the pop-up discount. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the App section. This is where you'll choose a third-party app to create your pop-up. Shopify's App Store offers a variety of options, so feel free to explore and select an app that fits your specific needs. However, for simplicity, we'll be using the popular app called Privy. Search for Privy in the App Store, and once you find it, click Add App to install it on your store. Now that Privy is installed, click on the app from your dashboard to open it. You'll need to create a new campaign for your pop-up. Privy will guide you through this process with its user-friendly interface. Start by selecting Create New Campaign and choosing the pop-up option. This is where the magic happens. Customize your pop-up by selecting a template that aligns with your brand. Privy offers various templates, or you can design one from scratch if you're feeling creative. When customizing your template, pay attention to the text, fonts, and color scheme to ensure they match your store's aesthetic. Add a compelling message that grabs attention, such as Unlock 10 off your first purchase. Be concise yet persuasive. Next, direct your attention to the form fields. Typically, you'll want to collect an email address so you can follow up with customers. Keep it simple. Customers are more likely to fill out the form if it's quick and straightforward. Once you've nailed down the design and message, set the display options for your pop-up. Determine when and where the pop-up should appear. It could show up when someone lands on your home page, after a visitor has spent a certain amount of time on a page, or even when they're about to leave the site, known as an exit intent pop-up. This strategy can help capture potential orders before they slip away. Before wrapping things up, let's set up the discount code. Head back to your Shopify dashboard, go to Discounts, and select Create Discount Code. Enter a code name that's easy for customers to remember, like Welcome 10. Configure the details such as the percentage off or any necessary limitations. After saving the discount, return to Privy and link this code to your pop-up campaign. Finally, publish your campaign to make it live on your store. Congratulations, you've successfully created a pop-up discount on Shopify. Remember, pop-ups are powerful, but use them wisely to enhance customer experience without overwhelming your visitors. Thanks for learning with us today, and happy selling!